Stand there and watch, and I will go on working here. Finally, we got to put something back on the car. Rear bumper. And we could actually mount a number plate here too. I think the number plate is in here somewhere. Let's see what we could find. Or did I took it out when I reached? Oh, here it is. Here are the number plate. Or should I order a big one? This is a small one. I maybe have to order another one because yes, I want a big one here so it fits the area better. Let's order a big one. This is not the right look. Now I'm looking on this gasket again. From the beginning I had the gasket like this, but it has disappeared over the years. I think I will put this back now when I have bought it. Now I'm looking to this thing with the gasket here. I had like this from the beginning, but it wasn't like that when I bought it back. I think I will have it like this. The thing is, the gasket is a little too big, and I think it was the same thing last time. So I wonder if I should just cut a little bit of it in the beginning. I can show you. The gasket will extend further out from this corner. This is okay, but not like that. So I think I will just cut it when it's on the car. And I have to have this angle right here too. And the gasket is one piece all the way. So you have to do it, it's a bit tricky. Stand there and watch, and I will go on working here. First we cut the angle on this rubber piece here. It should have the same angle as the grey line. Let's see how it's fit now, and if we can cut it so it gets smaller. It's too big right now. Yes, I think that will be good enough. Just remember, I have to put the front piece on first. Don't know how I should figure out how the length of this rubber gasket. And then we do the same thing on the front here. Cut it to a right angle against the grey line and then cut it thinner in the top. After that it's straightforward, just mounting the middle piece. The hard thing is just to get the gasket on there at the same time. It should have been easier if we had more hands. Great! That's one side. So, what do you think? It starts to take shape. What do you think? Should we mount the front lights and the front bumper before we repaint the hood? I maybe will regret this. Through the clear down to the base coat. Then we are screwed and have to... Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.